Hey guys, this is Abacus.com, a little walkthrough on how to make the numbers on an abacus. What you see is a chart showing how to make the numbers of 0 through 9. New students learn how to make the numbers by using the beads in different combinations. This chart is an overview of the numbers, but they will be covered in better detail to better understand how to make the numbers. You make 1 by using your thumb to move up a bottom bead. Each bottom bead has a value of 1. You make 2 by using your thumb to move up 2 bottom beads at once. You make 3 by using your thumb to move up 3 bottom beads at once. You make 4 by using your thumb to move up 4 bottom beads at once. You make 5 by using your pointer finger to move down an upper bead. The upper bead has a value of 5. You make 6 by using your pointer finger to move down an upper bead and your thumb to move up a bottom bead. You make 7 by using your pointer finger to move down an upper bead and your thumb to move up 2 bottom beads. You make 8 by using your pointer finger to move down an upper bead and your thumb to move up 3 bottom beads. And finally, you make 9 by using your pointer finger to move down an upper bead and your thumb to move up 4 bottom beads. Thank you for watching our video on Make the Numbers on an Abacus. See you next time.